new scrolls, come on, reviews on files, welcome, thank you for tuning in. So this is already unboxed. Yeah, so this is how it comes in. It comes like this, and with this part going on here. So we're gonna get into what this box is, and this box is basically it is a $21 a month box. You pay $21 every month. It renews automatically on your card, and they have different brands like Tarte, ColourPop, Bare Minerals, Smashbox, Ofra, and things of that nature. So it's $21 billed monthly, and then you can sign up for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months for other prices and things of that nature. And you can cancel at any time, and you do get a box every month, okay? And you receive 4 to 5 full size and luxury size beauty items delivered monthly, okay? So that's basically about that. So we're going to get into the unboxing. Not really, but got some cards here, so we'll get into that later, okay? So we're gonna do up close, because you guys know I like to do up close so you guys can really see what's going on. All right, and so now, all right, so we up close and personal, y'all, in my face and my grill. All right, so we got the Crown 3-piece brushes, okay? So we're gonna open it. It's in the plastic, and you can. Oh, I was talking about brushes today. I was like, dang, I need some other brushes, but I need eyeshadow, some more eyeshadow brushes. Okay, these brushes are kind of soft. Okay, they're, not kind of soft, they are soft. I'm not talking about. All right, so these are brushes here. Oh, they very soft. What was I talking about? Okay, Crown brushes. Okay, very, very soft. Okay, all right, so 3-piece Crown trio. Okay, that's what that is. All right, so now we have the Cover FX. What's this? Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It's coming in this box. Cover FX, y'all know Cover FX is on the expensive side. All right, so let's see what's going on. All right, I did some swatches, so don't mind the other. I did some swatches. All right, yeah, that's a little bright. I don't know, I might give this to my sister, but this is what it looks like. It's like a shimmer. It's like a lip gloss or something like that. So I don't know, I might give this to my sister and see if she want that, because it's a little too bright for me. But anyway, all right, so now we have what is this? This is Pure. This is a plumping lip exfoliator. Exfoliator. If you want your lips to be nice and plump and juicy. But anyway, but yeah, that's what that is. And we have the Vintage by Jessica, I don't know the last name, Smoky Eye Pencil. All right, you guys can see this Smoky Eye Pencil. Okay, all right, very nice packaging. Whew. All right, so now we have Ofra Cosmetics Laboratory Blush Winter Rose. Ofra, y'all know Ofra is a good brand. I have never tried Ofra, and this is a blush. I'm gonna swatch it on this side, because this side been swatched out. Oh Lord, it's about to fall out. All right, nice little light blush. Okay, that's very nice. I don't like to be looking too rosy, so yeah. So used in palettes and kits. This is Blush Winter Rose Glow. So okay, I might use that. Okay, I might use that tomorrow. Oh, all right. So what we got here? What is this? Ofra. What? Ofra, what are we doing? So do I put this in here? Is that what they're telling me? To put this in here? Oh. That's what we do at Ofra. Okay, so I guess you have to buy a lot of these, and then you go put them in here. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Okay, Ofra. Okay, I see you. I was confused, but you can't not confused no more. All right. All right, that's what you do. Okay, I had a little slow moment, but we back. All right, so yeah. All right, so that was cute. Okay, all right, thank you, Ofra. All right, so yeah. All right, so that's basically about that. I was confused. I was like, what they trying to do? Oh, it makes sense. You're going to send me a product with nothing in there. All right, but anyway. All right, so I'm being silly. So we're going to get into this stuff. All right, so we're going to get to the Ofra. I'm glad they put Ofra first. Okay, so Ofra Cosmetics, okay? It says Pop-Up Palette Mini, okay? This is $19, okay, the palette. And then the blush Godet refill is $12, okay? So it says Pop-Up Palette Mini provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup got it. I'm sorry. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Items can be continually tailored and rearranged according to personal preference. The unique design is lightweight and travel friendly, yet securely holds the goddess in place. The blush Goddess offers strong pigment with a long lasting effect and a fabulous pressed powder blush. Okay, all right. So now they have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, which was $28. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Oh, this is for your eyes? Oh, snap. Okay, I might use this. I'm thinking it's for your lips. Oh, and this is $28. Okay, so I'm going to try this on. Oh, okay, never mind. All right, I'm going to try it on my eyes. I thought it was for your lips. Okay, cream colors. Okay. It's very creamy, though. Vintage Cosmetics, Smoky Eye Pencil, which is $21. Is Jessica's richly pigmented Smoky Eye Pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy, soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. Okay. The Complexion Authority, Exfoliate Lips, Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Okay. All right. So that is $17 with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar exfoliate beads are used to buff away dead surface cells and moisturize the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Okay. I might try that. Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, which is $29.99. Use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Okay. Those were the 3 trios that I just showed you in the beginning. Then they have Galaxy Glow, and they tell you into your chance to win for a box that's over $400. Now, add all that up, and you will get the add all that up, you'll get the grand total, and I will put that on in the video like I usually do. And they have a 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com. Use code FXCharm at checkout, okay, for coverfx.com. CoverFX is kind of on the pricey side, but it's a beginner pricey. Their products are like, like around $30 and things of that nature. So like, yeah, it's $28 for the summer veil. So that's basically about that. Yeah, so that's it. I'm done with that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this February 2018 unboxing. So yeah, so I will be using these products. I'm guessing, I'm not sure. When I do, I will come back and let you guys know how I like them or if I did not like them. Okay. All right, you guys. So I'm done. I've done a lot of videos today. I don't think I have to do any more. I need some water. I've been talking too much. Okay. All right, but that's basically it, you guys. So let me know if you guys have gotten this box. Please go get this box. Meaning sign up. You may have to be on the waiting list because this is a very, very high in demand subscription box. A lot of people are on Boxycharm. Boxycharm is what's up, okay? A lot of people have been sleeping on this box. Please do not sleep. Please wake up because I'm waking you up, okay? Hello? Wake up. Okay. All right, okay, but that's basically about that. Let me get up out of here. But anyway, I need to get something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna take a little break and eat, and I think I'm gonna do one more video and then I'm out of here. But that's it, you guys. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you did because I did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want y'all to have fun with me. But anyway, let me get up out of here. All right, thank you guys for watching. And of course, comes on to that. That's comes on the advanced marketing at 70. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.